So I found this purple forest. Y'all, this is crazy. I don't know, maybe y'all can tell me what it is, but here's some snapshots of it. But then, you know, they have this purple fountain in the Pentagon. It's in the Air Force wing of the Pentagon. And then I found a purple river and a Pentagon in South America. Y'all, let's check this out. It is crazy. I mean, this is straight up purple. Well, violet from... I have read some information because I'm trying to figure out why this would even occur in a natural setting. I honestly don't know how this could occur naturally, I guess. Okay, so here is... the color's not the best because I'm videoing. I'll try to screen record it, but this river is very purple. I mean, I'll give you the coordinates. You can look it up yourself. This is crazy because the rivers down here are brown. They're very muddy. But why is this river purple? And then it stops. And then you have brown rivers again. And people will say it's color, whatever the case may be. But why do we have purple trees? An entire purple forest. Y'all, this isn't just like some trees, you go to the garden center, you know, like this is thick, ridiculous amounts of... You see this? This is very, very purple. Violet. And we have, there's more, not all over, but it's just very random. Let me see. Especially with all of these random things. So, let me back out. Oh, here's some purple trees. I mean, I guess they're trees. I don't know what they are. Look, it's like they tried to cover it, and then they didn't go far enough. You see that? How Google tries to do that? And then it just stops, and then you can still see it. Why are they trying to cover it? What would it matter? What's there that matters, you know? But what's strange is we have... So we have that river going to these purple trees, but then not so far away we have... I mean, are we moving our Pentagon? I'm looking at this all backwards. I'm gonna have to turn around. Sorry, y'all. So that's the other one. That's not the one I want to look at. I want to look at this one. That lines directly up with our current Pentagon. Ready? 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 It's about to pop up. Oh, I have to go to the thing, look, because it's not there. Let's go to the time slider. Bam. What's up with that? Where did that come from? Thick forest. Not sure how they... I mean, I have an idea. But how do you cut this out with no heavy equipment, no roads, I mean, I'd imagine they use directed energy situations. because it's the exact same size as our Pentagon, the internal part of our Pentagon. This is so weird. We just leased this thing in Alcantara, supposedly for some SpaceX stuff or something. To launch more spy satellites like we don't need more. You go up here and it goes directly, it cuts directly in the middle of our current Pentagon. I mean, I was just looking for the fires and stuff, but maybe this has something to do with the fires? I mean, the fires aren't even as bad as they're making them out to be, so why? Like, what's going on? What are they trying to hide? Always something. Always something indeed. But I'm telling y'all, there's something going on in Brazil. And in my opinion, they are going to be the new world power. Not well, of the Americas anyway. Because I think we have screwed up too much, and they've got too many very, you know, everybody thinks that Tel Aviv and Jerusalem is the spot. No. Nope. It's Brazil. It's gotta be. It's got to be. They have everything. All these random... NASA's so weird. Oh, but this line goes directly through Easter Island and all of these things. I'm not going to go through all of this today because I want to record it better, but I just wanted to show you all that in case it goes away, because I've never seen a freaking purple river. Purple river. Actually, it may have something to do with some kind of ceremonies, like rituals. I don't know if it's like satanic or if it's kind of just like ancient stuff. Not sure what's going on with these situations. There's just some stuff going on in Brazil. And with us acting a fool with Venezuela, it's gonna be nothing but trouble. Because they would take Venezuela's side in a heartbeat, no doubt, absolutely no doubt. They might act like our allies right now, yeah, but the people of these countries are a lot closer than any kind of state power, you know, government entity. And they're actually going to stand up for their rights and whatnot. Unlike us, we're kind of just lazy. I'm just being honest. I mean, look at what's going on in Hong Kong right now. They're like pulling down the 5G towers and the facial recognition towers, while we're like, please don't put the towers up. Please don't. Or we just read an article and post on social media. Please don't do it. Anyway, guys, very strange. I'll put the coordinates in my pinned comments or in the description. I think I could put the coordinates in the description. You see right here? I've actually showed this before. This is very, very strange. The federal district in Brazil. I would recommend learning Portuguese. Just a friendly thought. Learn some Portuguese and some Spanish. Because things... Wow, this is weird. This looks like Antarctica. This looks like part of the coast. We're gonna have to look at that. It looks just like it. I mean, kind of like most waterway cities, but like there was a city or a town in Antarctica. But this looks just like it. Weird. We've been lied to about all of our history. All of it. All of it. Alright guys, y'all have a wonderful night. Like, share, and subscribe. And let's take another look at that crazy purple forest. So I found this website that I'm assuming is like witch spells or something. Maybe Wiccan stuff? I don't know. Maybe somebody that knows more about that stuff can help me out.